walk these streets of glass and steel. Neon nights, but nothing feels real. Crowded rooms, a lonely sound. I had everything, but love wasn't around. Then I saw you by the river road, barefoot dreams where the wildflowers grow. You laughed and danced in the morning air. Simple words, but a heart so rare. I'm a city man with a restless soul. You're a village girl making me whole. Between city lights and quiet skies, I found my truth in your gentle eyes. I wear my suit, you wear the sun. Different worlds, but our hearts run one. Miles apart when the night comes down. I miss your stars from my concrete town. I'm a city man chasing the time. You're a soft, slow song, a country rhyme. From traffic noise to the sound of rain, loving you feels like coming home again. If love's a road, I'll walk it slow. Leave my rush, let the seasons flow. I don't need gold or a penthouse view. All I need is a life with you. I'm a city man, but my heart's your land. Holding your dreams in these other hands. Where city meets your quiet grace, forever starts in our shared space. When the night is calm and the world feels right, I'll trade my skyline for your moon.